Audio CD 1, Track 9, Unit 4, On the Plane. The plane takes off, and the pilot turns off the seatbelt sign.
This is your captain speaking. We have reached cruising altitude, and I have turned off the seatbelt sign. Still, for your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened when you are in your seat.
Oh, look, Nick. Our seats have personal video screens. And here it shows where we are over the ocean, and the speed, and the altitude.
I don't want to know. Excuse me, may I have a pillow and a blanket?
Let's see what the in-flight entertainment is. Oh, they have 3 movies. I'm going to put on my headset.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice, and he would like a glass of milk. Oh, here is the dinner cart. I love airplane food.
Oh.
Would you like the spicy chicken or the fried beef?
I'll have the chicken, please. He'd like... I don't think my friend is hungry.
Oh. Why is the plane bouncing so much?
It's just a little turbulence, Nick. Oh, look, we're way above the clouds now.
Oh.